Hi, well there's three ways to access all the video tutorials, all 70 video tutorials that are in our system. What is in the video tutorials, you ask? Well, check up here where you'll see the checklist, and that everyone has access to, and that shows you what's in there. So what we have in there is LinkedIn Basic, LinkedIn Advanced, Facebook Basic, Facebook Advanced, Twitter Basic, Twitter Advanced, Google SEO, and Instagram. And we start with strategy. So you'll want to access it so you have access to the individual videos. What you'll see as I update this video tutorial checklist every month, the ones that are new that month. So the ones that are bolded are the ones that will be adding the following month, and then you'll go in and you'll see the ones that are new. There's a few new ones in LinkedIn, as you can see there, and then you scroll down, you can see which ones are new every time you go in. So how do you access it? Well, there are three ways, as I said, to have access to all of them. When you do access it, you'll see all the videos there. You click on next, and the next 5 videos come up. If you wanted to see this video, you click on it. Strategy to choosing your social media platform. New 9 steps action plan for your digital marketing. What else? There's so many different ones that you can choose for. 4 steps to your storyboard for your communication plan. Scroll down to Facebook. You can set up your Facebook, the advanced Facebook. You want to look at the analytics, some advanced thoughts on how to create your contests, and with the new algorithm on Facebook and Twitter, setting it up to more advanced. Same thing with LinkedIn, same thing with Instagram, and so on and so on. So how do you access it, as I originally started talking about? Well, you can be a person that has taken one of my actual certification courses or my class at Trent University, and you have access to the video tutorials. And I've called you access for book owners. I should change that to access to for those people who have taken my course. It's just a little bit long, so that's why I say access for book owners. I could say access for graduates, maybe. Anyways, you'll see that's the one that you need the book code to get into, and you only get the book if you've taken one of my courses, full courses. The other way is if you happen to be part of a Chamber of Commerce, who's one of my partners, and many of them across Ontario are now part of my partnership plan, where they buy access for all of their members, and their members get access for free. So you go to your Chamber of Commerce website, and you'll see the link to the Coffee Break Learning right on the members only section, or benefit to members section, and that'll give you access straight to the video tutorial system. So you'll have access to all the videos through your Chamber member as a benefit of being a Chamber member. Very cool. And then finally, as an insider club. So an insider club, you end up becoming an insider with me, and we have a special relationship when you become an insider. It's only $175 for the year, and in that year, of course, you have access to all of my video tutorials, and you also get access to me once a month, where I create a situation where we have a live webinar, and you're able to ask questions, and we're together for a good hour. So that's my Insiders Club. So I love that. That'll be kind of fun this year. So we've just introduced that in 2018. So welcome to our new Insiders. I look forward to getting to know you better. And that's it. So those are the 3 ways to accessing the video tutorials. Here if you're a recent student, here if you're an insider, you just click on subscribe. That'll take you through to subscribe. And then here if you happen to be a member of a chamber, and this shares with you everything that's in the video tutorial system, but the most up-to-date list really is the PDF that you all have access to here. You click on that and you all have access to the video tutorial checklist. I encourage you to print this and check off the ones you've completed, then you know what's next for you. Okay, thank you very much for wondering the 3 ways to access your video tutorial system. Take care.